Usually, we take a long time to multiply 3-digit number with another 3-digit number with normal methods. But here I am going to teach you a simple method by which you can multiply 3-digit number with another 3-digit number easily, which was used in competitive and entrance exams. Let us see about that. I am going to put 3 dots in the first line and 3 dots in second line. Now I am going to tell you that on how to multiply. First, we have to multiply the last digit up and down. In second step, we have to cross multiply the last 2 digits up and down. In third step, we have to cross multiply the 4 digits in the last corners, and then also we have to multiply the numbers in the middle up and down. In fourth step, we have to cross multiply the first 2 digits up and down, and in fifth step, we have to cross multiply the digit in the first up and down.
Let us see an example. 435 into 221. We have to multiply the last number up and down in the first step. That is 5 into 1 we get 5. Put that 5 as the last digit of your answer. Second, we have to cross multiply the last 2 numbers up and down. That is 1 into 3 we get 3 and 2 into 5 we get 10. And add both the numbers, we get 13. Put 3 as the second last answer and keep the 1 for the third step. In the third step, we have to cross multiply the digits in the corners up and down. That is 1 into 4 we get 4 and 2 into 5 we get 10. And also we have to multiply both the numbers in the middle up and down. That is 2 into 3 we get 6. Now add all the numbers with the 1 which we got in second step, that is 1 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6. We get 21. Now put the 1 of 21 as the third last answer and keep the 12 for fourth step. In the fourth step, we have to cross multiply the first 2 numbers up and down. Here we do 2 into 4 we get 8 and 2 into 3 we get 6. Now let us add this with the 2 we got in the third step. That is 2 plus 8 plus 6. We get 16. Now put that 6 in 16 as the fourth last answer and let us do the final step. That is to multiply the first number up and down, which is 4 into 2 we get 8. Add the 8 with 1 which we got in the fourth step. We get 9. Now put this as the first number of your answer. So finally we get 9, 6, 1, 3, 5. That is 435 into 221 is 96,135. Now let me tell you a hard sum. 987 into 859. Here we do. In the first step, we have to multiply the last numbers up and down. That is 9 into 7, we get 63. Put 3 as the last digit of your answer. And in the second step, we have to cross multiply the last 2 numbers. That is 9 into 8, we get 72. And 5 into 7, we get 35. Now add all these numbers with the 6 we got in the first step. That is 6 plus 72 plus 35. We get 113. And put the 3 as the second last answer and keep the 11 for the next step. In the third step, we have to cross multiply the numbers in the corner and a number in the middle. That is 9 into 9 we get 81, 8 into 7 we get 56 and 5 into 8 we get 40. Add all these numbers with the 11 which we got in the second step. That is 11 plus 81 plus 56 plus 40 we get 188. That is 188. Now put 8 of that answer as the third last digit of your answer and keep that 18 for the next step. In the fourth step, we have to cross multiply the first 2 numbers. That is 9 into 5 we get 45 and 8 into 8 we get 64. Now add these numbers with the 18 which we got in the third step. That is 18 plus 45 plus 64 we get 127. Now Put the 7 of that answer as the fourth last answer and keep the 12 for next step. In the final step, we have to multiply the first number up and down, that is 9 into 8 we get 72. Now add that 72 with the 12 which we got in the fourth step, that is 12 plus 72 we get 84. Now put that 84 as the first two digit of your answer. We get 84783. So answer for 987 into 859 is 8,47,833. That's it. Now let us do a sum little faster. 391 into 427. In the first step, we have to cross multiply 7 into 1, that is 7. Put the 7 as your last answer. Then in the second step, we have to cross multiply the last two numbers, that is 2 into 1 we get 2 and 9 into 7 we get 63. Add those numbers, we get 65. Put 5 as your second last answer and keep 6 for the third step. In the third step, we have to cross multiply the numbers in the corners and also in the middle, that is 7 into 3 we get 21, 4 into 1 we get 4. Then 2 into 9 we get 18. Now add all these numbers with the 6 which we have got in the second step. We get 49. Keep the 9 as your third last answer and keep 4 for the next step. In the fourth step, cross multiply the first two numbers, that is 9 into 4 we get 36 and 3 into 2 we get 6. Now add all these numbers with 4 which we got in the third step, that is 4 plus 36 plus 6 we get 46. Put 6 as the fourth last answer and keep 4 for the next step. In the last step, we have to multiply the first numbers up and down, that is 3 into 4 we get 12. Add 12 with the 4 which we got in fourth step, we get 16. Now put 16 as the first two digit of your answer. 166957. That is 391 into 427 is 1,66,957. This is the step to multiply 3-digit number with another 3-digit number faster. Let me tell you a tip to do maths faster. Be thorough with the table from 2 to 9. When you're strong in tables, you can do sums easily and you can save time in your examination. That's it, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Learn with MightyMax. I have added the link for 2 more math step videos in the description below. Click the description and see the video to learn math faster and faster. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Learn with MightyMax.